Kejimkujik National Park for our Betwixt Snow and Black Flies Hammock Hang. We're set up here at the group camping area, and so we've got the shelter to cook in. It's got wood stove and lots of firewood, a place to get in out of the wind. The hang site is down over the hill off to my right there, actually about 100 meters probably away from the group camping area. Well, it's Sunday morning and everyone's up now. A couple of guys have started to pack up. The day we're leaving looks like the day we should have been arriving, but it never works out that way, does it?